Yung pagpili ng course sa college is one of the most important decisions that we can make in our life. Pero what if hindi ka pa sure kung ano nga bang course yung kukunin mo? Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome to another episode of the College Courses Explained series. So for today's episode, we will talk about Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information Systems or BSAIS. This course actually gets confused a lot with accountancy kasi medyo similar sila on the accounting side. But the biggest difference is that BSAIS covers not just accounting and business, but also technology. So if BSA is more focused on accounting practice, si BSAIS naman is focused not just on accounting but also on using technology and systems in accounting and business operations. Sa course na to, students will learn how accounting works together with information systems, software, databases, and business technology. So, aside sa pag-intindi ng financial information and accounting processes, matututunan din ng students how businesses uses technology to manage and organize financial information more efficiently. So, in a way, parang combination siya ng accounting and IT. Now, ano-ano naman yung mga subjects na kukunin mo if you are a BSAIS student? In this course, meron pa ring mga accounting subjects like financial accounting, management accounting, taxation, business laws, financial management, pero meron na ring mga technology and systems-related subjects like database management, accounting information systems, business analytics, systems analysis and design, ERP systems, and information technology concepts. Compared to Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, this course is a non-board exam course. This course is a good option for you if interested ka in both business and technology, which I think is very relevant in today's world because most companies are already heavily relying on digital systems and automation. Now let's talk about career opportunities. Kapag graduate ka ng BSAIS, you can work as an accounting information system staff, business analyst, ERP consultant, financial systems analyst. So yung mga trabaho ng mga accountancy graduates, pwede mo rin naman siyang maging trabaho. Pwede kang mag-work sa mga private companies, sa mga accounting firms, mga tech companies, banks and financial institution, multinational and international companies. This course can actually be very flexible kasi you can work in both accounting-related roles and technology-related roles. Now, when it comes to salary range, it still depends on the company, your skills, and your experience, but fresh graduates usually start around 20 to 30,000. And then for mid-level positions, it can range from 40,000 to 80,000. And for a more specialized roles in systems or analytics, it can go beyond 100,000 per month, especially kung may experience ka na or you're working with international clients. Now, sino ba yung bagay sa BSAIS? This is a good fit for you if you are interested in both business and technology, you want to work with systems and data, you are analytical and detail-oriented, you're interested in learning how businesses use software and automation, and gusto mo ng flexible career opportunities in both accounting and tech industries. Honestly, I think this is one of the more modern business courses today because technology is becoming a huge part of how companies operate. So that is Business Accounting Information Systems explained in simple terms. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what course you want me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you follow me for more episodes of College Courses Explained.